Welcome. In today's tranquil journey, we explore a choice that shapes your entire garden atmosphere: a mini koi pond or a still water basin. Each is a jewel of calm, a mirror to the sky, or a home for life. We'll walk through the textures, emotions, and spirit behind each option to help you choose the right Japanese water feature for your sacred space. Imagine stepping into your garden and hearing the soft ripple of water. Maybe it's the subtle motion of koi gliding beneath lily pads. Maybe it's the silence of a basin catching falling leaves. The right backyard pond design doesn't just decorate. It becomes a daily ritual of presence and reflection. Let's begin with the koi pond, a symbol of abundance, patience, and movement. Even a mini koi pond invites life to circulate, with colorful koi dancing beneath the surface. This water feature becomes dynamic, ever-changing, a living artwork that responds to your mood, the weather, and the light. Now, contrast that with the still water basin. Often made of stone, sometimes nestled in moss, this quiet bowl of water is deeply rooted in traditional Japanese garden design. It reflects the sky, it catches light, it becomes a pause, a punctuation mark of stillness in your backyard pond design. Mini koi pond ideas often begin with space. Even a small oval-shaped pond, 2 feet deep and 5 feet across, can hold beauty, edged with smooth stones, planted with irises or reeds, and may be home to 3 or 4 gentle koi. It offers movement, texture, and charm without needing a large footprint. A still water basin, by contrast, can fit into the smallest corners, sometimes no wider than a dinner plate. Set beside a bamboo spout or along a pebble path, these basins, or tsukubai, are grounded in ritual, designed for hand washing before entering a sacred space. Today, they serve as simple, elegant accents. With koi ponds, water quality becomes part of the journey. You'll consider small pumps, filters, and perhaps even UV clarifiers. But rather than seeing this as maintenance, think of it as caretaking, a slow, mindful practice. This is the heart of koi pond ideas: connection through responsibility. Still water basins require no pumps, no plumbing, no fish care. Their charm lies in simplicity. Refill them with rainwater. Let petals fall inside. Watch as sunlight flickers across the surface. In this Japanese water feature, the beauty comes from impermanence and quiet observation. Koi are symbols of perseverance and prosperity. In Japanese culture, watching them move, slow, deliberate, unbothered, is a form of meditation. A mini koi pond brings life, not just to your garden, but to your daily rhythm. Feed them gently, Watch them surface. The bond is subtle, but real. Still water basins evoke another kind of wisdom. The wisdom of emptiness, of reflection, of holding space. A stone bowl, filled with water, becomes a canvas. It reflects branches, sky, or moonlight. This backyard pond design draws attention, not to what moves, but to what is still. In terms of sound, koi ponds can feature waterfalls or gentle bubblers, adding an ambient melody to your space. This soft soundscape masks city noise and draws you in. Many koi pond ideas include sound not as a feature, but as a feeling, one that evolves with the seasons. Water basins are mostly silent, broken only by a drop from a bamboo pipe or a falling leaf. But in that silence, you hear more: crickets, wind, distant birds. In a Japanese garden, the absence of sound is just as intentional as its presence. This is design through subtraction. Building a mini koi pond allows for expression, shape, depth. Edging stones, planting choices, all become extensions of your own personality. You can mimic a mountain stream, a reflective lake, or a simple garden oval. This Japanese water feature becomes a mirror, not just for the sky, but for the builder. Still water basins are often carved from granite or sandstone. Their weight gives them permanence. Their simplicity gives them timelessness. They don't demand attention. They invite contemplation, a soft focal point that asks nothing of you but your presence. For wildlife lovers, koi ponds attract dragonflies, frogs, and birds. Your backyard pond design becomes a habitat, not just a decoration. In the quiet, life returns, and that life brings a new layer of meaning, a partnership with nature. Water basins, though smaller, also draw life. Birds perch on the edge to drink. Bees land for a sip. Their presence reminds us that even the smallest water feature holds meaning and offers sanctuary. Even a shallow bowl can become a world. A koi pond often becomes a focal point, a centerpiece. It draws visitors to gather, to watch, to share. In traditional Japanese gardens, it sits near the tea house, creating a tranquil pause before ceremony. In your yard, it can serve a similar function, gathering and grounding. A still water basin, on the other hand, works as an accent. subtle, tucked into a corner. Its power lies in restraint. It does not seek attention, it rewards discovery. A whispered detail that changes everything. Once noticed. When it comes to cost, a koi pond is a larger investment, both in time and budget. But this investment yields a deeper connection. It's a living, evolving space. A pond that grows with you. Every ripple, every fish, every plant becomes part of your story. Water basins are often budget-friendly. With a single stone vessel and a few surrounding elements, moss, bamboo, pebbles, you can create a complete Japanese water feature. Its simplicity doesn't diminish its impact. In fact, its restraint is what makes it powerful. For families, a koi pond can be interactive. Children love feeding the koi. Guests linger by its edge. It becomes part of your gatherings, your memories, your traditions. Every season brings new life and new stories around this miniature ecosystem. A water basin serves the opposite role, private sanctuary. You may never gather around it, but you will visit it alone. Quietly, it's a place to breathe, to reset. Its presence is intimate, internal, and deeply personal. Koi pond ideas often evolve over time. You might start small, then add plants, edging, or lighting. Your relationship with the pond deepens as you adjust and refine. It's a living project, like a garden. It's never truly finished. Still water basins offer completion from the start. Their form so simple and refined, they ask for little more. Maybe a bamboo ladle beside it, a single stepping stone leading up, a framing of ferns, then leave it be. Its power lies in being enough. In winter, koi ponds slow down, the fish rest, the surface stills. Even then, the pond holds beauty, frost-rimmed edges, snow-dusted rocks, a reminder that even in dormancy, life persists. The pond becomes part of the season, not separate from it. A water basin in winter is poetry. The surface freezes. Leaves fall and freeze into place. In snow, the shape of the basin becomes more visible, round, still, quiet. It becomes a sculpture of patience, a frozen mirror, holding memory. Lighting transforms both. Underwater lights in a koi pond create glowing silhouettes at night. You see koi drift like lanterns in the dark. For basins, a single stone lantern nearby casts a soft glow, highlighting the surface, the rim, the quiet offering it makes to the moon. Ultimately, koi pond ideas appeal to those who want interaction, movement, and life. It's a feature that changes daily. It gives back what you give it. The energy of tending koi, adjusting plants, shaping stone, makes it a living relationship between you and your space. Still water basins appeal to those who find peace in simplicity. They don't need change to be beautiful. They hold stillness as a gift, with little more than water and stone. They echo centuries of design wisdom. They don't grow, they reveal. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful exploration of two timeless backyard pond designs. Whether your heart leans toward koi pond ideas or the grace of a Japanese water feature, in still form, the key is this: let it reflect you. If this brought clarity or calm, I invite you to like, subscribe, and join me for more garden serenity.